LA City now.
Yes, there's someone holding a knife in my home. Can you please come? No.
What's your address?
No. It's Nuys Boulevard, apartment.
Who's armed with a knife?
That's a knife. Wait. Excuse me?
The person that's holding the knife, who are they to you? Are you guys related?
Yeah, she's my sister. She's on drugs.
Hopefully it's not like one of them. Alright, well open the door so we can talk to you.
We're trying to take a report for you.
And you're not a shit. It's obvious, isn't it? If you understand obvious from nothing, you're not going to have an issue.
Can you open it?
Yeah, but just be mindful she's armed with a knife.
Pink motherfucker from beside my pants socially.
Ma'am, can you open the door?
I'm not allowing you in because they're fucking trying to manipulate me
She's feeling that her
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Can you open the door and talk to us?
police are in here. They're the ones who are locked into a bedroom. This person that's behind
Can you open the door?
is not supposed to be here. She doesn't live here. She's 390, and she's the one that's supposedly the PR stating is armed with a knife. So the 8-year-old, and the grandmother are locked in the bedroom.
Stand by.
I don't know if she should be entry, but
This to be the hand scene.
this is our suspect that we're talking to. She's refusing to come out. She's 390.
So Sarge, we're gonna kick the door?
Look at you, honey. Look at you, sweetie.
This is our suspect. We've already talked to her. This is.
That's fine. We have the PR still on the line, right?
Yeah,
They're
she's
unable
to.
to come out.
Ma'am, can you open the door, please?
They're all for you. They're all for you.
120.
And you're not for
Verify
it.
there's no way for them to step out, correct?
Whether you want to use your strength or not.
You could try to crouch it up.
We're gonna do parkour from that road up to the next one? There's no rear. No, there is no rear.
Ma'am, open the door.
She's banging on the door.
Banging on their door now. Okay, Roger, just advise the PR that officers are making it.
All right, hold up.
Hey, if you don't come out with your hands up, we're gonna kick down the door. You guys ready?
What's your hand, ma'am? Get over here. Put the knife down.
Drop the knife!
Put the knife down.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! I said drop the knife!
Stand by. Get back.
Hold on!
Let me go ahead. Ma'am, open the door.
She's banging on the door.
Banging on their door now.
Okay, Roger, just advise the PR that officers are making it.
All right, hold up.
Hey, if you don't come out with your hands up, we're gonna kick down the door. You guys ready?
Nice, come on.
So you gotta probably have the donkey.
What's your hand, ma'am? She's over here. Put the knife down.
Drop the knife!
Put the knife down.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! I said drop the knife!
Stand by. Get back.
Hold on!
Stand by. Where's the knife? Right here. Okay, we're good. Stand by.
It's got a default, so you gotta probably have the donkey kick it.
What's your hand, ma'am? She's over here. Put the knife down.
Drop the knife!
Put the knife down.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! I said drop the knife!
Stand by. Hold on. Get back.
Más atrás.
Hold on!
Let me go hands on.
Right. Hold on.
We're good.
Give
me one sec.
Got it?
You okay? Got it. You okay? Hold on.
I thought it was a taser. Okay.
Get back! Everyone down!
Did she hit? I got it. I thought it was a taser.
Fired. Any air unit coming off my frequency.
Is she hit?
She's hit.
L120. I need an RA for a female, approximately 30
You
years
guys are
old,
gonna have to go all the way
conscious and
down.
breathing, single gunshot wound to the stomach. Okay.